Welcome back, everyone. We're here at Cabo Pulmo in Baja, Mexico, and this is said to be a pretty good snorkel spot. And we're also here with some friends. Most of you should know them. If you don't, you should get in the know. Fabian and Isabella from Live and Give 4x4. We're spending some time together today, doing some snorkeling. Then we got to go do some grocery shopping and get ready for Christmas times. But first, let's go snorkeling.
Sometimes fast and sometimes slow, they are falling to the ground, dancing around in circles, and I catch them with my mouth. It's often solid noises, it's often solid things. Everything is wild. So I catch you with my hand, try to hold, make it stay.
Well, that was our first real snorkeling experience where we saw more than one rando fish, and that was pretty amazing, pretty intense.
Yeah, I got to swim with a whole school of fish. It was so cool.
What we got? We got soap from Everlanders, biodegradable soap. So, good stuff.
Getting showered up, and then we're going to head over to Cabo San Lucas.
Let's see about that, but we try.
We'll see if we can get to Cabo and stock up with some groceries.
Yeah.
And now a women showering montage.
Okay, here we go. San Jose del Cabo, off-road. Avocados. Oh, here's the one I wanted. They have smoked paprika. That's really hard to find here in Mexico. These might be jalapeno poppers, I'm thinking. They look awesome. Oh, check out the fish. Looks like what we saw when we were snorkeling earlier today.
Yes.
See. He's cutting up our papaya now. Looks great. Muchas gracias. Of oils. Do you see it? Yeah. I think that's one.
Feliz Navidad.
So we made it to San Jose del Cabo, did our shopping. Fabian and Isabella arranged for us this paid secure parking area where we will spend tonight. And now we're going to explore Old Town San Jose del Cabo. You totally can do it.
There's your mask. Okay, probably.
Which one would you think suits my personality best?
I know.
The pink one.
Yeah, that would be you. Definitely.
How do you feel? Stronger?
I can't breathe. How does it look?
Looks really great.
Where's Isabella?
She's gonna have to watch this on YouTube now.
Okay.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Wow.
Yeah, that looks really good over there too.
So we decided to stay the night in San Jose del Cabo and had a great time with Isabel and Fabian. And right now we're just filling up with water, fuel, and then we're going to head to Nine Palms Surfing Resort. And by resort, I mean just an empty beach. The scenery in this area on the southeast tip of Baja Peninsula is quite breathtaking. As you can see in these shots, the beaches from up here look pristine and white, and the water seems crystal clear. So I'm looking forward to doing a little bit more snorkeling. And Fabian has 2 surfboards, so I might try my hand at that. Well, we're back to a little bit of an off-road. although it is technically a road. And we're driving through all these homes. And probably millions of dollars properties.
That looks so good.
No, this is the one I want to talk. Or built it actually. You collect the pieces. I built it, and then you can have it.
That is so fun.
It's your camper. It's a camper. Oh my God! Look what I have.
It is. Wow, professional.